While actor Sonu Sood has been garnering praises for helping those in need amid the COVID-19 enforced lockdown, there are many who are using the actor's name to dupe people. Recently, Bollywood actor Vishal Lamba lodged a complaint with the Oshiwara police station against an unknown cyber fraudster for allegedly cheating people in the name of actor Sonu Sood. In his complaint, Vishal, who is close to the actor, said a person received a call from a fraudster who claimed to be Sonu's manager. The accused told the person that if he wanted help from Sonu Sood, he should deposit 1700 rupees into a bank account as processing fees, according to a report in a leading news publication. Vishal further claimed that the fraudster stopped receiving calls after the man deposited the money. Sonu, who has become a true hero for laborers and migrants amid the COVID-19 crisis, said, "We are getting several complaints where such fraudsters are targeting the needy. They are taking anywhere between 800 to 10,000 rupees on the pretext of helping them out. I have always been posting on my social media asking people to not believe such calls." Sonu further added, "I've even told these fraudsters through my social media account that if they are in need of money, they can contact me and I will arrange a good job for them, and I've asked them not to cheat the needy." In one such incident, a woman who was in need of an ambulance for her mother was asked to deposit 8,000 to 10,000 rupees by someone who said that he was from my team. The woman deposited the money but did not get an ambulance, because of which her mother died. I came to know about it after the incident and later we helped her. Senior Inspector Dayanand Bangar from the Oshiwara police station said, "We have registered a case against the unknown person and started the investigation."
Subscribe to Midday India. Get direct notifications on all our videos by clicking on the bell icon.